guys who don't know who is that.
Salut, bonjour, comment allez-vous?
How are you guys? So, that's Larry and Lauren from La Clique Criminals Crew, the twins. We're here for give you a little tape because we're gonna do a workshop. We're going to do a workshop in Australia for like
Almost a week, a little bit more than that,
Yeah.
It's
We're
going to
be in
be
Perth, Sydney.
Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide,
Yep.
and Sydney, yeah.
So be there.
It's going to be on the 24th, October 24th to November 7th. So be ready.
We have to give you some hip hop, okay?
Real hip hop. On Beyonce tour, we do Last Swing tour, so be ready.
Venga.